guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again for my deals video. This is the second week for this ad cycle, and every deal you did last week you can do them again. I posted 2 videos last week, so if you need more deals you can check them out after watching this video. We go back the same mystery offers like we did last week in case you need them for your deals. And for the 20% off CRT that we normally use to trigger the threshold CRT that we get in our email, what I did was wait till after 9 on Saturday. That way I will have the new CRTs already in my app. I printed the $3 Aveeno CRT from last week, added the new one we just received in our app, and we also have a $3 digital coupon. That's a total of $9. I picked up the 8-ounce Aveeno lotion priced at $10.49 using the 2 CRTs and the coupon, and I have 2 20% off CRT, one from email and one printed at the end of my receipt. The first 20% off CRT took off 30 cents and the second one took off 24 cents, and I paid just 95 cents out of pocket. I know by the time you watch this video, you cannot do this deal anymore because the first CRT we received expired, but I'm just giving you ideas for next time. The first deal I have is on Kiss Crest toothpaste. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 2. Pick up 4 of the toothpaste priced at $4.19 each, and they will total $16.76. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is only attaching to the one with the Star Wars picture. Using the 5 off 3 digital coupon, pay $11.76 and get $10 back because you're doing this deal twice. That will end up making all 4 toothpaste just $1.76 or 44 cents each. The next deal I have is when you buy any Polydent or Polygrip, you get $3 extra care box back. Pick up the 40 tab Polydent Denture Cleanser priced at $5.29. We don't have any coupon for this product, so you have to pay the $5.29. But if you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use any percentage of CRT you have. Pay the $5.29 and get $3 back, making it just $2.29 only. The next deal is on Grove Liquid Hand Soap. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 extra care box. Pick up 2. They are priced at $4.79, and this deal, make sure you're picking up the 7.5 ounces. These two will total $9.58. Pay that and get $3 back, making both just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is when you buy 2 any Clairol hair color, you get $4 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the textures and tones, priced at $8.49 each. And these two will total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, and if you also have the 6 off 2 paper coupon we received last week, it will double dip with the digital coupon. Without the paper coupon, the 6 off 2 digital coupon will drop it down to $10.98 and you get $4 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $5 back on Shea Moisture products. Pick up 2 of the bar soap priced at $8.29 each, and the 2 bar soaps will total $16.58. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $13.58 and you get $5 back, making both just $8.58 or $4.29 each. My next deal will be on Mr. Bubble Scientific and Terrific Bath Portion. They are part of the buy 1 get $2 extra care box back. If you just want to pick up something fun for your kid, pick up one of the bath portions priced at $4.29. Pay the $4.29 and get $2 back, making it just $2.29. And if you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use a percentage of CRT with this deal to make it cheaper. The next item I have is not giving back any extra care box, but this will be a good filler item if you have a threshold CRT, and that will be the Nivea Men Body Wash. They are on sale for just $3.99. The next deal is buy 2 get $7 back on Nivea Men Shave products. Pick up 2 of the shave gels priced at $6.59 each, and the 2 will total $13.18. We don't have any coupon in our app, but if you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it here because they are not on sale. Pay $13.18 and get $7 back, and submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents on each one, and that will make both just $4.68 or $2.34 each. The next deal I have is on Huggies wipes. They on sale for 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 64-count wipes, and we have a 25 cents digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.75, and you get $2 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopmium for 25 cents back on the second wipes that we did not use any coupon for. That will end up making these two just $4.50 or $2.25 each. The next deal I have is buy one get $5 back, and the Sting Kill or Chigarex are part of this deal, and I will explain both. If you pick up the Sting Kill, it's priced at $6.99. Pay the $6.99 and get $5 back, making it just $1.99. But if you want to pick up the Chigarex, it's priced at $6.59. You pay the $6.59 and get $5 back, making it just $1.59. The next deal I have will be on Carefree liners. They are part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 20-count Carefree liners. They are priced at $1.99 each, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be just $1. These two will total $2.99. Pay that and get $2 back, making both just 99 cents or 50 cents each. Next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back, and I have 4 options. But if you're doing this deal, always remember it's a limit of 1 per week. And for the first option, pick up 2 edge shave gel. They're on sale for 2 for $7. Pick up Gillette Mark 3 razor on sale for $7.99. And to complete this deal, pick up 3 L'Oreal Elvive hair care on sale for $4.99 each. These 6 products will total $29.96, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. We have a $1 off digital coupon for the Edge Shave Gel, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Gillette. And for the L'Oreal Elvive, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and I have a 3 off 15 L'Oreal Elvive hair care CRT. 3 coupons on the CRT will take off $11, dropping it down to $18.96, and you get $10 back. That will end up making these 6 items just $8.96 or $1.49 each. The next option I have for the spend 30 is to pick up the 4-pack Kleenex on sale for $6.49. And the second item will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. To complete this deal, pick up the Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99. These 3 products will total $31.47. And we have a $1 digital coupon for the Kleenex, and we have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and for the Airwick, we have a $6 digital coupon. The 3 coupons will drop it down to $21.47, and you get $10 back, making all 3 just $11.47 or $3.82 each. The next option I have is to pick up the 9 mega roll Cottonelle bath tissue on sale for $9.99, and pick up the 4-pack Kleenex on sale for $6.49. And to complete this deal, pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $29.47. Use the $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle, and a $1 digital coupon for the Kleenex, and $3 digital coupon for the Tide. And the 3 coupons will drop you down to $24.47, and you get $10 back, making all 3 just $14.47 or $4.82 each. The last option I have for the spend 30 get $10 back will include the Lysol wipes. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they're priced at $5.99 each. And that's the 35 counts. The first one will be full price, and the second one will be $3. And the next item will be the Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99. And the next item for this deal will be the 4-pack Kleenex on sale for $6.49. And the last item will be the Oral-B toothbrush on sale for $3.99. All 5 products will total $31.46. And for the Kleenex, we have a $1 digital coupon. And for the Airwick, we have a $6 digital coupon. We have 2 $1 coupons for the Lysol disinfectant wipes, and we also have a $2 digital coupon for the toothbrush. And that's a total of $11 in digital coupon, which will drop it down to $20.46, and you get $10 back, making all 5 items just $10.46 or or $2.09 each. Next deal I have is on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $2.49 each, and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 2 of the Lucky Charms, and these 2 will total $4.98. Check your app because we have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $2, dropping it down to $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. That will end up making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The last deal I have will be on Bengay cream. They are part of the buy one get $2 bag, limit of 1 per week. My store is out of the cheapest one, but I'll put a picture on the screen in case you can find it if you need this product. They are priced at $7.99. We don't have any coupon, but if you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. If you don't have the percentage of CRT, pay the $7.99 and get $2 back, making it just $5.99. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.